do so. You can see an intersection where vehicles on the main road are moving freely, while a blue car is trying to enter the main road. What should you do? The blue car must always stop at the designated point. Then, it must give way to all vehicles on the main road and allow them to pass. Only after all cars have passed, and after carefully checking that the road is clear, can the driver safely enter the main road. Next scenario. The road is curved with a solid line in the middle. This solid line does not allow overtaking. If a driver attempts to overtake on a curve, they are making a serious mistake. In this case, the driver continues trying to overtake, which is dangerous and not recommended. This behavior can result in a fine